How to get Alibaba promo code 2024. Let's get started with the tutorial. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you are using iOS device. Once you are in this page, in the source bar, search for Alibaba promo code 2024. Now in here, you can scroll down and see tons of different sites. Head over to any of the sites that you want to. Let me move into this one. It will land you on this official page of promo code. In this page, tons of different coupon codes, discount, and offer will be available to you. If you scroll down, you will get to see more. From here, select any of the specific offer and click on it. And there you can see that the promo code will appear on your screen. All you want to do is tap on copy. Once you have copied, now you can use this promo code and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Alibaba promo code 2024. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.